So vlog well, wagwan, we there. We'll start off the vlog in the night. You see me? Killer Walk in the fucking building. You remember Killer Walk? We there in a Bronx, a White Plains Road. I'm gonna make a little chat and thing. When you see the video, we link up with Pink yesterday and about a niceness. Today we wake up late, dog. Come we got in bed late last night. After the whole fandangles there and drinking with Pink and shit. Me that chill with Dante up in the early morning. And thing. Tonight I don't know why they pre.
We getting lit?
You get lit? Yeah man, cause I know you have work a morning. Everybody turn big people now. Alright, car. Informer. Everybody turn big people now have work a morning time, so I know up on the weekend them I go lit. But I don't know when I cut yet. 241st. Right now we got 241st, but I'm showing you dirty white plates. This is the McDonald's. You see this McDonald's? This is where one of my first girlfriend them up here broke up with me. I see it here now?
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, so in other McDonald's, yeah. I want to call her name, but I don't call her name.
Oh, but know who you know? Oh,
you probably know who. Killer know who.
Exactly who.
Yeah, you know who. Right, so the girl broke up with me. And me buy one.
Dollar menu?
No, well I know. Me buy $1 menu and I eat, but it was during Valentine's time. When she broke up with me buy one teddy bear in a cup and something give girl, you know. In there, so me give girl the gift, girl say, Andrew, I don't think this is going to work. And that girl let it give me my papers. Wicked girl, me say me walk go back on Mount Vernon and a ball, see you what? Never have no money, you know.
That's what that girl bitch come out.
Yeah man, the girl ain't wicked man, me not lie. I me go to bakery, they go buy a piece of cheesecake for the girl. The girl wicked to me man. Yo, me not lie, one little Jamaican food spot there somewhere you say, but you're freak dog.
Which one?
How are you there? You there? See it there, Jerk House. I like your food there, so I not lie. You say a top girl is in the Bronx.
Yo bro, what?
I joke, man. I know top girl is. We are bring a business. We are bring a business. But yeah, we there all a vibe. I don't know why I breathe tonight still. Really, cause I literally just wake. I Killer Walk wake me up. Thank God. I literally just wake. So we just go see briefly night here, man. I call up everybody and say they want to look at. I know this man has so left, but you have curfew now because you have to go home to wake up in the morning.
So record the dance like soldier.
The man turn dance everywhere. Every time Killer Walk one dance, Killer. Oh wait, I know every time Killer Walk a dance if you never know.
Retire now.
Oh yeah, retire. Me tell you what we get old dog.
Old dog, you know, young again. Like,
you can't move no more. Your bone them a crack up.
Yeah, like we use the pan White Plains Road and walk up and go to Brooklyn go. Yeah, so
yeah, how much you Killer Walk? 40?
No.
A joke. Me make a joke.
26, I turn 27.
Yo, Killer Walk a youngest out there when we to pussy clot and so tall. My youth.
Young.
The man a giant, you know. Jesus Christ, dirty White Plains Road. You remember a chat? Ew, how far bite this? Yeah, a whole time Suzuki, yeah, whole bike. Teaching your people, look. I bet I two-chain, mirror ask me crack the phone. I bet they say I two-chain that. This is a spot to get the best bacon, egg and cheese. Some chopped cheese though, yeah. One other pole, yeah. Right, so at this spot, we used to come from party or our dance, them and them thing around there, so we get breakfast. Memories. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's a night time again. And as I say, I get a night vlog. So far, I kind of like the question and answers I've been asking throughout the YouTube world. I saw the feedback and I like it. Everybody have them opinion on things they want to say, on what we are saying, and I like that, you know. Me a drink, that's why me a tongue. But what you breathe? We have Dante in the building, Team Elite, and we got Killer Walk is still here. You see me know me a catch it. Catch him good. Why? What me say? Me know me a catch him good.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, I want to meet that. Back again. Sorry about that mishap. I'm drinking. But we're here to ask question, and this question is for the guys. How long should you wait before you get the buff? Meaning pumpo. How long you think you supposed to wait as a guy? Three of my friend them there, so a man. We are gonna ask. We're not three of my friend them. Two of my friend them, me met three. Me drunk. Say with me. Dante, as we say again. Blind me with a light.
Sorry, you like bright, me know, man. Killer what? Let me wipe off a little bit. Alright. That must make it better. Alright. Starting with Kit Dante.
Yes, what's the question now?
How long should you wait before you get vagina from a girl? You're dating this girl.
You shouldn't have to wait at all.
You shouldn't wait at all.
No. Because I understand that some girls feel like they shouldn't have to give it up quickly or whatever. And you don't have to give it up. It's your crotches. Do what you want. But at the same time, you might go and wait and hold out. You build up this emotional relationship with this person. And then when you go fuck,
you not turn out as what you expect.
It's completely horrible. And it's something that you're not going to like or something that you can't deal with. For example, if them body too small.
You know no manners. You know see we are talking around there so you have to play. Turn off the phone, man. Jesus. Come again. Listen.
But yeah, if a guy body too small to a girl, she not going to deal with him.
Why?
No. A wifey body small still. Yeah.
At the same time, something appear. For example, if a girl just crotches just ever stink.
Yeah. You want to know that from the start before you fall in love with her.
You know from early before you get attached, before you just dash with all of that time because of something that you cannot repair when it comes to the sex between those two people.
True, but then something that can fix still. Pum pum stink, pum pum can fix. Promo plug, Star Cookie Wash. The link probably are going in our bio. Go on Star website for the girls then we have yeast infection or any vaginal odors or anything like that. Wanna check out Star Cookie Wash. Link in the description. Killer Walk. Back to you. How long should you wait?
As soon as you give me your number, right, I'm gonna learn your name. Same name, I beg you some pussy in the text message.
Damn, you love rush. You're rushing.
I joke.
Don't lie.
A man like me, I'm gonna wait 90 days.
You wait 90 days?
Yeah, I'm
and that me said to you, know, Killer Walk. They're not gonna believe me, you know. Big man thing. You see me a husband material, so. I know how me I come.
And I know my worth.
Yeah.
I can't
I'm toughy. I'm a toughie. So any girl me talk to.
Girls out here just want me for my penis. And I'm not with that, okay? I'm a presentable young businessman.
Alright, so listen to me, young sir.
So
listen to me, young sir. So he gonna wait 6 months. Well,
I wait
90 days.
With me wait a year already, you know. Me wait 1 year already.
Listen to me though.
Me wait 1 year already.
So catch a pre.
1 year.
Young go wait 90 days, right? And then after 90 days, then pull on the drawers and say she a hermaphrodite. Y'all gonna stay with it?
No man, but me not go so far in it.
Come on, Dandy, I got too much money.
Let me take a shot. You know nobody it happened to?
I don't know nobody it happened to, but still, it happens in real life.
Birth certificate before.
Birth certificate?
That don't mean nothing.
Yeah, it means a lot.
Missy mother and father before.
People Photoshop birth certificate all the time.
But for me, if you answer a question, me wait as long, because me wait a year already. No, sometimes it work in the night at the vibe and the whole mood.
I will wait for her.
No, hold on, no. The mood can right till you get the vagina the same night, you know. Depending upon your game and how you forward to the girl, you know. You know. And we that talk about this earlier on, woman like chasing, they like, you know, they like that little dominance thing.
Well, you see, for me, I'm not telling that a girl would have to give it up right away.
Yeah.
I'm saying it would be smart too, just so y'all know that y'all are compatible on that level and everything else work out. But at the same time, it all depends on the person that you're dealing with and the vibe that y'all have.
No, really and truly still. Like one girl giving front, it's like fling it by me. Let me look it.
Me like when you work both ways. Make it two away in a vibe and be like, yo, me think I time now, you know?
No girl fling pussy upon me like that. Disrespect for that. Let me look you.
No girl ever fling it on me yet.
I look desperate. Like, no, for real, but look desperate.
I be talking to queens. I don't be talking to girls that fling their vaginas and all my girls was empress and queens and things like that. What kind of girls you be dealing with, bro?
No, you take it still, but
that you know girl that throw crotches?
No girl said it.
No girl never throw no crotches like me.
Women are highly respectable women.
Yeah, my girls are queens, empresses, angels.
More time you see if I look girls and and then just fling crotches on you. No, my girl, and I work so I look desperate to you. But now if the man fling it to me, I'll tell you about it. I look desperate to you. Oh, don't fling it so. No, stop.
I do.
Let me feel good. Now you say, hey, take it.
I do.
Fuck up my wall. No.
Yeah, man, them a violate.
No, but no, man.
Yeah, them a violate. But
next you know, they're gonna pick me up and put me on counter.
No, man, you're gonna make them go too far when they go too far.
No, me a man, let me look it.
You sound hurt, like
you
killer walk, you're 6 foot something, you know, you know, make no girl lift you up.
Exactly, come at 6 foot, they want to take my tall, choose my tall, they want to come right on the tall, but
so girl try to pick you up, my youth.
them try to hang up.
Me bum buck like dog, you want giant, you know. Look how man hit the ceiling, man head look up out. We'll just run the next question and answer from our point of view for the night, yeah. Everybody give them a point of view, how long them would have wait. As me say, we wait 1 year already. Don't they say if you tap me night?
I've waited 6 months is the longest I've waited.
Killer walk?
We had 10 years one time for one girl.
10 years?
10 years, but try, every time you see I'm try until finally one day we get lucky. I'm glad to wait the 10 years, because if I did the first day, I never thought to her again.
We wait 1 year for your girl and me they get it. And it was what it was. But now I'm gonna lie, it was memorable.
Well,
Cause no, it still stick with
her
it.
name.
I can't do that.
Whoa!
6 months that I waited turned into an 8-year relationship, so nothing wrong with that. It was worth it.
True. But yeah, guys have them time limit too, where them hold back. Girl, I know girls alone can hold out. We hold out too. Like me give a girl.
Yeah, we don't want to look thirsty.
Yeah, me don't want to look thirsty, so me will hold out too. Me give a girl a week. You know? If my sister she come at me with it.
About 3 hours. Go and breeze out. Yeah, man, make the liquor corner.
Oh, so you have to drunk her first.
I'm not going to rape that. I'm going to rape. And I'll kill the business around here.
But yeah, I saw we are going to end the vlog, yeah. Me like them look a question and answer, yeah. It late. But thanks for watching the vlog, yeah. And yeah, tomorrow again with the next vlog. Me I try vlog for you every day, so them question and answer, yeah, help. This brother, yeah, my you. Might touch you at all, you feel like, me fighting, you know that. But big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Shout out to my 2 co-hosts, Dante.
Yes.
You see me? Team Elite and Killer Walk.
Outside.
Killer to the walk. And we gonna end the vlog like this. A mad thing.
Your pussy feels so good. Couldn't have another one.